Hi all, I am Izzy Kerr, the Chief of Staff at NoonEnergy. At NoonEnergy, we are developing ultra-long duration energy storage solutions. By ultra, I mean 100+ hours or the multi-day to seasonal storage required to enable 24/7, 365 clean, reliable electricity. At its core, Noon is solving the intermittency challenge. It's not always sunny, it's not always windy. You need batteries that can store energy for 100+ hours. Over on the right, when you combine Noon with solar and/or wind, you have this, what we call the power plant of the future, this generation asset. Over on the left, when we talk to data centers, they all want speed to power, speed to power. And so when you can co-locate Noon plus wind and/or solar next to a data center, you're able to bypass these long grid interconnection queues. In addition to this power plant, we provide grid reliability services and can minimize the expensive capacity payments that our customers face. When it comes to clean, firm power options, we strongly believe that Noon offers the most scalable solution and the fastest time to market. All of these offerings are great, and there's a place for all of them, but they all have limitations, whether it's regulations, whether there's hazardous waste, you name it. When it comes to Noon, the only limitation comes in rare instances where there's not enough land space for solar and/or wind. And again, that's very rare where there's not enough land. In terms of specs, Noon has a variety of very unique properties. I've already mentioned the 100+ hours that you can easily scale up or down in terms of duration. At scale, will be very cost effective, coming to at or less than $20 per kilowatt hour for system level cost. It's very sustainable with less than 1% of the critical materials that lithium-ion batteries have. It's extremely energy dense, 3 times smaller and lighter than lithium-ion batteries, and even 20 to 200 times smaller, has a 20 to 200 times smaller footprint than flow batteries or mechanical storage options. And finally, just to hammer it home, we are enabling this 24/7, 365 clean, reliable electricity. This is one of 2 full-scale demos we have recently deployed in California. They are modular, and this one right here is close to what our first product will look like. We are set to begin serial manufacturing next year of our first products that will look just like this. And it's worth mentioning that we are not doing powder to product, reinventing the wheel. We are buying off-the-shelf components like solid oxide fuel cells and arranging them in very unique ways. In terms of where we've been and where we're going, we started with cells, stacks, and prototypes. Now we're deploying demos, and next we'll begin the product launch and scale-up journey. We are currently raising a $65 million Series B. We have several funds that have indicated they are very close to term sheets, so if you would like to participate, please come find me or get in touch with me. We've raised $33 million to date in equity and $13 million in grant funding, and this is a multi-trillion-dollar TAM. So come find me to talk fundraising or commercial opportunities. Thank you.